Hi, I'm Mario. This is a knee kicker. If you're an athletic type person and weigh over 200 pounds, you could kick this tool with about 1,000 pounds of force or more. That's quite substantial. That's as hard as a heavyweight boxer hits. And the only bad thing about it, the damage is about the same to your knee, hips, and back. This is a very dangerous tool, and it causes almost all the injuries to carpet layers, and you don't need to use this tool at all. This is a power stretcher, and this is a carpet frog. And this is capable of 2,000 pounds of pressure, and you can do that on 4 walls, and that eliminates restretches because the stretches are very even. And you're only supposed to expand carpet 1%. This is capable of much more than that. And I'm going to show you how it works. And I'm just going to hold the head down, push down on the handle. And you can see the substantial bubble I'm getting out in front. There's actually over 2 inches of carpet there if you measured it. And imagine that on all 4 walls. Now I'm going to release the tool and show you how much pressure is on this tool. That's considerable. Now I'm going to move on to another tool. This has a cotton head, and this is our compact adapter. Works basically the same way. I'm going to put some pressure on here with my foot. Hold the head down, and I'm going to push the handle down. And again, look at the substantial bubble in front of the carpet where the work's done. Imagine that on all 4 walls. Now I'm going to go ahead and release it. You notice the bubbles are gone here, and there's still the work in front. It pushes more forward, unbelievable amount of carpet. This is the kicks, the replacement for a knee kicker. It also does an excellent job of stretching. I simply angle this tool slightly, and I'm going to go ahead and kneel on it. Again, more than 2 inches of carpet moves forward. I'm going to go ahead and release it. And that's all it is to using these tools. Remember, you're stretching 4 walls. You can get the carpet extremely tight and eliminate restretches in all cases. Thank you very much, and I'm Mario.